front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Setting up screen lock is very important to keep your new device safe. To set it up, all you need to do is go into Settings. Then scroll to click on Security and Privacy section. Following that, tap on Lock Screen over here and tap on one of those login methods: PIN, password or pattern. I don't recommend swipe option because it doesn't give you any security. The best one is obviously password, but actually the most popular one is pattern. So let's start with pattern by clicking on it here. Now, to create any login method, you need to create it here. If you made a mistake, tap on Retry at the bottom left corner and then create it correctly. When you're done, choose Continue at the bottom right one. Then repeat it to confirm it and tap on Confirm. If you want to enable or disable lock screen notifications, you can do that over here. When you're finished, hit Done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!